All right, welcome back to my video. So today I'm going to teach you how to do two-hand strike in the same time, okay? I see a lot of you guys mention in my videos that my karate style resembles a lot of the Wing Chun. Like I said, at the end of the day, if you think about it, Okinawan karate, Wing Chun, Kung Fu, Wushu, whatever, look, under the martial arts umbrella, we only have two hands, two legs. You're gonna see a resemblance everywhere, right? And when we use two hands, like in the hanchi kata, we go this way here, or we go this move here in karate, right? And that resembles, some of you might say Wing Chun because of this. And how you're gonna use two hands to attack. Let's say if you punch my face here, instead of karate, we do this way here, right? And then from blocking, then we go punch like that. Now we want to utilize two hands, just like in the hanchi kata, where he punches, and you see how we do this way here. So instead of doing this way here, I want you to start using two hands in order to block and strike at the same time, right? But this here, block and strike, it has to be intentional. You got to know what you're doing in your head before the attack is coming, right? Because if you don't plan ahead, striking two hands at the same time, it's going to be hard, because really, how do you know he's gonna attack you, right? So you have to learn about the box. Once you understand the box, that means you know this is where he's going to attack you, and you have to accept that this is where he's going to attack you in order for you to block it, right? And the box is basically from your forehead down to your sternum, because anywhere they hit you here is going to knock you out cold. Everywhere else, look, if everywhere else that he's going to attack you, that's a different story. Your body can take a little bit of a blow, but yet it's not going to knock you down, similarly to when he's not hitting you from this box over here, okay? So from here, when Daniel strike me here, right, he strike, let's say if he give me a hook for video purposes, I'm seeing the hook coming, so therefore I'm preparing the block, but at the same time I'm hitting the strike. So he's going bam this way here, right? See, he come like bam this way here, just like in the kata. You see some of the karate kata like that. So he's coming, I go boom this way here, see that? And let's say if he hook me the other way, boom, see this way here, right to the chin. Okay, you can say, oh, why not do this way? Doesn't matter, this way or this way, doesn't matter, right? So he's coming this way, boom, and then go boom up this way. So right when you hit him this way here, now you want to go in and let's use your elbow this way, boom, down. Okay, then you're gonna knock him out. So another combination that you want to learn how to use your double hand attack too is, let's say he comes in, he punched my face, and I block this way, yeah? Right? When I block this way here, the intention is to block, but also the intention is to strike as well, right? So you see some of the kata, we go this way now, kata, right? So if you punch this way, see that? So I go block and I go this way, knife, zoom. See, I knife this way, like that. It hurts, trust me. It hits right anywhere here, it just knocks the wind out of you, right? So he's coming, I go, boom, right? And then from here, because I still hold his hand, then from here, push out back this way, back fist this way, zoom, this way, okay? So go, boom, zoom, this way, okay? So that's how you use two hands, right? You use two hands to attack versus only use one hand, right? And the beauty of using two hands is also your whole body is moving in unison, right? When your body's moving in unison, you're using more of your abdomen in order for you to generate that power, okay? So once again, punch, we go zoom, and then zoom, this way, okay? And then you want to follow along, same thing, we go zoom this way, back this way, and then from here, boom, elbow, okay? I always like to finish my opponent with an elbow. And part of the reason why we finish with an elbow is in my previous videos, I talk about how to use elbow, because now you use elbow because, you know, once you hit him this way here, look how close you are already. And when you are this close, you might as well just use your elbow, just go boom, downward in order for you to finish him. Okay, so also, how do you use two-hand attack if someone is grabbing you, right? So let's say he comes on in, and let's say he grabs both of my hands, and he grabs both of my hands, he calls his buddy over there, come over, because right now he thinks that he's in control, right? But actually, he's grabbing your two hand, you are in control, okay? Because he's controlling you, but now he's using his thumb and his fingers to control you. Believe it or not, your forearm, it's much stronger than his, right? So he's holding you tight. All you have to do is wiggle around like this, because now see how I'm using two hands? And from here, look how I bring it over to his hand. See? And then, boom! See that? Because from here, I move, he doesn't know what I'm doing. See, I move over. Right when I move over, look, you can see his thumb right there is open, right? As I open like this here, you see I move in, this is already out. And then, boom! Okay, that's how you use the two hands. And you go, oh, he's calling his buddy. Just cross over, boom! Okay, so the two hands for grabbing, same thing. Let's say, what happens if he grabs you this way here? I have never seen people grab this way here, but let's say if someone grabs you this way here, it really doesn't matter, right? From same here, so you see how crossover? Once you cross over, you see how this open here, step over and okay? So the idea is to cross over his hands, because once his hands are crossed over, it just throws off his balance. All right, so I hope that I show you all the secrets on how to use two hands attack, and also how to use two hands as leveraging in order to get out from a grab. And if you like what you saw, please click like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.